Henry Flowers here, protecting black life. I'm snoring because the Supreme Court is taking its sweet time on the whole women's health versus Hellerstedt case in Texas. Alright, so what's this case about? Okay, in what has been dubbed the most significant abortion case in over 2 decades, the Supreme Court of the United States has given much deserved credit to Hellerstedt's claim that all abortion facilities should meet basic patient safety criteria. Wow. Alright, while also continuing their improving standards of care, right? Not too much to ask. You would think, right, for a women's health facility. Yeah. But also it argues that abortionists must obtain admitting privileges at local hospitals no further than 30 miles away from the abortion facility. That doesn't sound like a far reach either, right? Okay, so what does all this mean for the protecting black life community? So here we go. First of all, 28% of these abortion patients were black. Now, these are the percentage of people who had an abortion by Planned Parenthood, according to research delivered by the Guttmacher Institute, which means, number 2, the risk of death associated with abortion increases with the length of pregnancy. So that means that if this law doesn't pass, there's more risk towards your family's health because the clinic doesn't have to meet basic patient safety criteria. You follow me? That could be your daughter in that abortion clinic. Third, 52% of Planned Parenthood abortion patients paid out of pocket for the procedure in 2014. Now, that means you are paying out of pocket for lackluster care that could result in later hospitalization at best and possible death at worst, because you do realize that some young ladies die from botched abortions. Okay, so what does all this mean? Hey, listen, what this means is there are black lives at stake. The Supreme Court is making decisions that affects us as blacks. And we make all of this noise about we want to end oppression in America. Listen, folks, we are oppressing ourselves by not getting involved in these situations. Hey, let's get involved. These are our daughters that are being victimized by the possible poor conditions in these facilities. We need to get involved. You need to get involved. You need to contact me, henry.flowers@protectingblacklife.org. Contact me and I'll come and speak for your organization and share with you information that I can give to help you, to help us, to help our young people to become great people, and to help us better be a voice for those who do not have a voice.